Today we are visiting the Tom showroom in Tokyo Odaiba. You can be renting here. In this video, I'm gonna show you the GR Yaris complete car from Tom's. Do you know how much horsepower it's doing? Which parts do we have on the car? How much do they cost? Get ready to know more about the Tom's GR Yaris that people love. Showing you the GR Yaris, that is the car that most people has been asking for it. Starting from the steering wheel, inside you can see the steering wheel. It's crazy, looks super good with the design and the feeling. It's amazing. All the prices gonna be in Japanese yen without tax. We have as well on the rear the air ducts. That is one product that we sell a lot in Europe. It's a little bit tricky to install this part because you need to cut the actual bumper, but the result is really good. This car is manual, not automatic of course. The seats feel super good as well, they are holding you perfect. So it's the perfect car to have fun at any condition. We have all the bodywork. One of my favorite parts is this front diffuser. Looks super good with the Tom's logo in front and gives you a better aerodynamics to go faster. After we have the magnificent part that is the exhaust, that sounds crazy. For the exhaust we have two options, the double exit one or the single one. Me personally I prefer the double one, but the single one sounds really loud. We have as well the rear diffuser that goes together with the exhaust. It gives you more aerodynamics that you can get now as well in Europe. Do you know how much horsepower is doing this GR Yaris from Tom's? This car, on the engine, we have been modified the ECU and the turbo. It's giving actually now 340 horsepower. Following with the aerodynamics, we have the side edge. This generation 2 of the Yaris, it's slightly bit different from the Gen 1, and you can see that it's a smaller piece. We have the Tom's emblem in carbon. This one looks pretty nice. The rear wing. As I was saying at Tokyo Auto Salon this year, we have been selling lots of rear wings in Europe, and know that you can be finding with the new distributors that we have in Europe. So please contact them to make sure to make arrive your rear wing. But we need to be really careful, because many brands are trying to copy us. They are trying to take the same shape, but not with the same quality, not with the same materials. And we have many customers that they are complaining about that. So please be really careful when you are purchasing a Tom's rear wing to make sure that it's coming from the official Tom's. Because there are many copies that they are cheaper, but the quality, it is what it is. I think it's better to wait a little bit to make a little bit of money instead of buying the wrong. We're also designing wheels. So you have wheels for all the models of Toyota. They are forged and they are super strong, but they keep being quite light. We have many distributors all around the world, and they can be shipping these parts from Japan to Europe without no problem. There is no much stock. So if you like these parts, make sure to order beforehand, because it's tricky to make it arrive. Sometimes it takes time with container if you don't want to pay expensive shipments. We have many other parts that you can check it out. Steering wheel of carbon, gear knob shift, rainbow kit with 6 piston caliber, air filter, suspension, complete kit, and many other parts that you can check it out in our website. Hope you like the car and the video. Feel free to comment for us to keep improving. Thank you for watching.